In life, seasons are very predictable. Life is not a guess game. The seasons are there for a reason. If you want to win, if you want to do well, it's important to know the seasons, because seasons help you prepare because you anticipate what is going to happen. Fall is around the corner. It's time to plant. How do we know what to do? I'm here at the Bruce Miller nursery. I usually nurse some of my own plants, but one way to make time work for me is to leverage what other people have already done. We have a lot of plants that have already been started here that are very conducive for planting. So I'm here to pick a few plants that I'm going to plant. I will actually start some, but I am going to buy some plants that are already growing so that I can move very rapidly. We have in some sweet chard here. Very nice vegetable. It's extremely expensive in the store. If you plant it, it produces a lot. It's going to produce all winter. And here you go. I'll see you at the garden. Just to let you know that you have to learn what the seasons are, take advantage of the seasons, and you're going to increase your productivity.